Hello everybody, I hope that you're well. Welcome back to our EYFS Maths Challenge series of lessons. This is the video for Thursday the 30th of April. Remember, these videos are additional to the White Rose materials that we've been sending home, so don't worry if your child is finding them a bit difficult at this stage. For this session you will need something to write on or in, something to write with, some counting objects and some coins. Today we're going to use the 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p and 20p that we've been using all week, and we'll also introduce 50p and £1. Let's start by thinking about some numbers. What number do you think is underneath the green rectangle? How do you know? Remember, adults, we're encouraging children to respond using full sentences. Well done if you said it was number 27, because 27 is 1 more than 26 and 1 less than 28. 27 is 10 more than 17 and 10 less than 37. 27. What about this green rectangle? What number is underneath it? Well done if you said it was number 34. 34 is 1 less than 35, 1 more than 33. It is 10 less than 44 and 10 more than 24. 34 was the answer. Now we have less numbers to help us, but there is still enough information on the 100 grid to find the answer. What number is underneath the green rectangle this time? Remember to think about the pattern that we've been talking about this week and what happens when we move up and down a column on the 100 grid. Well done if you said the answer was 77. 77 is 10 more than 67 and 10 less than 87. 77. Now you only have 4 numbers to help you find the correct answer. What number is underneath the green rectangle? Well done if you said it was 35, because 35 is 1 more than 34 and 1 less than 36. It is 10 more than 25 and 10 less than 45. 35 was the answer. And now we have 4 rectangles, so there are 4 different numbers to find, and we only have, what number is that? Yes, we only have 27 to help us. What number is underneath the green rectangle? Well done if you said it was 26. 26 is 1 less than 27. How about the blue rectangle? That's right, it's 28. 28 is 1 more than 27. What number is underneath the yellow rectangle? Yes, it's 17. 17 is 10 less than 27. And finally, what number is underneath the red rectangle? That's right, it's 37. 37 is 10 more than 27. Well done if you were able to find those answers today at home. Let's think about the language of comparative size. There are 4 children here. Which child is the tallest? Well done if you said it was the little boy at the front of the line, or first in the line. And which child is the shortest? Yes, it's the second girl, the second child in the line. Here we have some coins. We've added the 50p piece and the £1 coin today. Could you get these coins out in front of you? Can you show your adult at home, either by raising the coin or pointing at the correct coin on the screen, which is the 20p coin? That's right, 20 is the number written on this coin and it says 20p. How about 5p? Yes, there's the 5p coin. What about 50p? Yes, there's the 50p piece. And finally, where is the £1 coin? On there it says the words 1 and pound. That's the £1 coin. Well done. Now let's think about some addition. What does this addition number sentence say? Yes, that's right. It says 15 add 12 equals. Can you pause the video and use your counting objects to prove that you have the correct answer to the question 15 add 12? Great, you should have been able to prove that at home. Now let's do it together. The first thing I'm going to do is get 15 counting objects. Can you help me count them out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 counting objects here, and how many more do I need to add? That's right, I need to get 12 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 more. There are 12 yellow counting objects and 15 blue counting objects. To find my answer, what do I need to do? That's correct. I need to count all of the objects I have to find out how many there are altogether. You could do this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I could also have started counting on from 15 because I already knew that there were 15 blue counting objects, so I could have counted on 12 like this: 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I could also check by counting in twos: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, and I only have one more, so I just need to add 1 to 26, 27. My answer is 27. I proved that by using counting objects and pictorial representation, and then I counted them all in twos, with just one more to add on at the end. What type of calculation are we doing this time? That's right, it's subtraction, because I can see the subtraction symbol in the middle of those two numbers. What are those two numbers? Yes, there's 22 and 12. My subtraction sentence says 22 subtract 12 equals. Can you pause the video and see if you can find the answer and prove it using your physical resources? Fantastic, you should have been able to prove that at home. Now let's see if we can do it together. The first thing I'm going to do is get 22 counting objects. Can you help me count them out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Adults, your child might want to start thinking about moving from the concrete resources towards pictorial representation. So rather than using physical resources that they can move, they might draw circles, a little bit like the circles that have appeared on the screen, or draw lines, or find another way of recording it, and this is an informal method of recording, and then they'll move on in year 1 and year 2 to think about more formal written methods. Okay, I have 22 counting objects here. How many am I taking away? That's right, I'm taking away 12. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've taken away 12, so now I have my answer. The number of counters I have left is the answer to my subtraction number sentence. Can you help me count them? I'm going to count them in twos. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 10 objects left, so the answer is 10. And I've proven that using concrete resources and pictorial representation. Today we're going to think about shape. The rest of the week we've only thought about one shape each day as we've been counting the total number of sides. But today we have 4 different types of shapes. What shapes can you see here? That's right, we have a triangle, a circle, a pentagon and a rectangle. Before we count all the sides to find out how many there are in total, let's see if we can remember how many sides each of these shapes has. A triangle has, yes, 3 sides. A circle has, a pentagon has 5 sides. A circle has 1 side and a rectangle has 4 sides. So my number sentence might say, I'm going to start with the largest number. So I'm going to say 5, add 4, add 3, add 1 equals. Or I might need to count all of the sides to find the answer. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 sides when I combine the sides on all of these shapes. Look at these lines. I think there might be something a little bit different today. My question is, which of these lines is the longest? What do you think? And why do you think that? Well done. The longest line was number 2, but also number 1. So what could we say about these lines? Yes, we could say that these lines are the same length. Finally, let's end with some reasoning. This is called the Mixed Up Socks Challenge. Start with 3 pairs of socks. So when you've paused this video, you're going to go and find 3 pairs of socks and make sure that they look different so it's easy to tell them apart. And now mix them up so that no mismatched pair is the same as another mismatched pair. Now try it with 4 pairs of socks. Is there more than one way to do it? Adults, you're going to need to pause this video and help your child with this challenge, and when you think that they're ready, you could come back, press play, and we can find out how we feel about our learning today. If you are feeling confident, show me a thumbs up. If you think it's tricky but you're enjoying the challenge, show me a thumbs in the middle, and if you're finding it difficult, give me a thumbs down. Adults, as ever, it's really useful to get some feedback on how your child is doing so that I can help plan and make the next videos. Have a brilliant day, everybody. Hope to speak to you soon.